create your Google site, click on the plus icon. Your new site comes with a home page with a title for you to edit. You can reformat your banner size from here, or get rid of the banner and just start with a title. It comes with a stock banner, but you can upload your own banner, or select from a gallery or upload from the internet. If your banner and text aren't up to Google's fashion standards, it'll auto-edit for you. You can add text to your website by adding a text box. This includes most of your normal text editing options. You can duplicate or reuse a text box if you choose. You can also change the color of the text box or delete it. You can also upload photos from your desktop or the internet. If you find something interesting online, see if it has an embed option, such as YouTube videos, Edpuzzle videos, or even some PhET simulations. You can even directly import files from Google Drive. They offer some layout templates to help make formatting easy. To add another page, click on the Pages tab, and then click on the plus icon. You'll be prompted to name the new page. This new page name will become the title on the new page. If you don't change the name of a Google file of any kind, it won't save. You can preview the website or add collaborators. When you're done editing, hit publish.